Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your phone supports 5G and is unlocked for other carriers. Then confirm your DDoS plan includes 5G data, because activation depends on your subscription. Power off the phone, insert the Nano SIM into the correct tray, and reboot. Once done, the device will detect the network. Make sure to accept any carrier prompts. This step puts the SIM on the device hardware and lets the software begin negotiating 5G on the network. Next, you configure the APN and network mode so data can flow. Open Settings, then Mobile Network and Access Point names. Create a new APN using the exact DDoS values provided by the carrier, save it, and select it as active. After that, go to Network Mode or Preferred Network Type and choose 5G/4G/3G Auto to ensure fallback. If you want strict testing, pick 5G only briefly. These settings tell your phone how to finally verify the connection by running a speed test and looking for a 5G icon in the status bar. This confirms you are on a 5G cell. If you don't see data, restart the phone and confirm the APN is selected, because a restart forces the network registration. If problems persist, note your IMEI, SIM number, and exact error behavior, then contact DDoS support. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds to force a fresh network scan before calling support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.